Welcome to my new listing in Arvada, Colorado, located on a cul-de-sac. 3 beds, 3 baths, listed for $439,900. As you walk through the front door, you have beautiful vaulted ceilings. This is a great living space with an attached dining room. The kitchen has been completely remodeled with great gray cabinets and new stainless steel appliances, and overlooks a large living space. Drop down into a spacious living area that has a fireplace and a patio door that accesses this enormous backyard with apple trees. Upstairs, you have a master bedroom with an attached bathroom that's been completely updated, a double vanity in the upstairs bathroom, and 2 other bedrooms. Downstairs, you also have a half bath near the 2-car garage and a huge basement area, great for whatever you want. I hope you'll take the time to see this property for yourself. We'd love to put a deal together before the holidays. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.